Thank you.
It's an exclusive launch in Spain. It's not, you cannot find it yet, neither in Romania or any other country. So Spain is the first country where we are launching this fragrance.
I don't know what's inside. Cheers! Hola, good morning mula dito sa Madrid, Espanya. Finally, maibabahagi ko na sa inyo ang long overdue vlog na ito. At honestly, sobrang excited akong ikwento ang experience na ito dahil first time kong maka-attend ng isang exclusive perfume launch event dito sa Spain para sa brand na My Geisha. Naka-receive kasi ako ng email invitation mula sa brand. At hindi ko akalaing dadalhin ako nito sa pinaka-exclusive perfume launch experience ko dito sa Madrid. Alam nyo, madalas naman akong makatanggap ng invitations para sa iba't ibang events dito sa Madrid. Pero, kadalasan hindi ako nakakapunta dahil sa schedule, work, content creation at minsan dahil nahihiya rin ako. So, ang destination natin ay ang Wow Concept Store. Isa ito sa mga kilalang concept stores dito sa Madrid. Hindi lang siya ordinaryong store. Parang combination siya ng shopping, art, beauty, fashion, at lifestyle experience sa isang lugar.
A new perfume, and it's an exclusive launch in Spain. It's not, you cannot find it yet. Neither in Romania or any other country. So Spain is the first country where we are launching this fragrance, and it's a special, but the story behind this fragrance is very nice, and it's a real story. Because 4 years ago I had my wedding in south of France, in Aix. Amazing location, a chateau, like a French chateau, Chateau de Chèvre d'Or. It was on the top of the mountain, and it was in June. And the jasmine were all over around and were blossomed. And what I experienced there, it was a pure jasmine fragrance that you could feel everywhere around. Like we were covered by this warm and sensual and soft smell of jasmine. And then I knew that I want a fragrance that will smell identical with what I could smell there. And it was a real challenge. It took 4 years for me to, and it took for me 4 years. I started to talk to perfumers, to perfume houses. I told them, I gave them the brief, and they were sending very nice jasmine fragrances, but it was not the smell that I could feel there in Aix. It was the one that I wanted. Because I didn't want just to have a nice perfume formulation with jasmine. I wanted that specific smell that I could feel that time. Breakfast with Chris and Joey, the owners of CPL Aromas. It's a fragrance house. And I told them about this challenge that I was facing. Honestly, I was not expecting, because already so many trials that failed. And I opened the bottle, I smelled it, and it was like, it was like I was in Aix during my wedding in June few years ago, because it's very difficult. It's nice and challenging to put jasmine in a fragrance, but what we feel in a garden full of jasmine, it's a totally different smell, because there you feel not only the flower itself, you feel the air, which is a salty air, because that area, that region is at the seaside. You feel the wind, you feel the green around, because you have so many other flowers and plants. So it was super challenging. So thank you for hearing the story, and now you know when you will spray it that you will be part of it. It's a very personal fragrance for me, and I'm very happy to share it with you. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy our launching, enjoy our surprises, because we have surprises today. You can tell them about them.
Isa sa highlights ng event ay ang speech ng CEO. Very interesting siyang pakinggan. Hindi lang niya ipinakilala ang bagong perfume, ikinuwento rin niya ang inspiration behind the fragrance. Kung paano nagsimula ang concept, kung paano nila dinevelop ang scent, at kung anong emotion ang gusto nilang maramdaman ng taong magsusuot nito. Isa sa mga bagay na narealize ko habang nakikinig ay napakaraming proseso pala sa likod ng isang perfume. Hindi ka lang pwedeng basta-basta gagawa ng perfume. Ito ay pinag-aaralan. After ng CEO speech, naging mas relax ang atmosphere. Dumating ang waiter at dadala ang tray na may lamang champagne. Nagsimula silang mag-serve ng champagne. Kasama rin syempre ang iba't ibang tapas. Very Spanish experience talaga. And then, ito na ang moment na hinihintay ko. The unveiling of the new perfume. I was honestly excited to finally see it. And of course, I needed to smell it because let's be real. A perfume can look beautiful in photos, a bottle can be luxurious, the packaging can be stunning, but the real magic begins when you actually experience the scent. So lumapit na ako, tingnan ko ang bote at syempre inamoy ko na. And wow! You know that feeling when fragrance immediately makes you imagine a place or a memory? That's exactly what happened. Hindi ko agad ma-explain sa words, pero may mga perfume talagang may personality. Yung tipong pag naamoy mo, parang may kwento silang sinasabi. At iyon ang naging first impression ko. Kaya sobrang saya ko na na-experience ko mismo ang launch instead of just seeing photos online. At alam niyo bang ang pinaka-espesyal na bahagi ng event na to para sa akin ay nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon na makilala mismo ang CEO at founder ng My Geisha. At honestly, medyo na-starstruck ako. Kasi bilang isang perfume lover at matagal nang admirer ng brand, iba pala talaga ang pakiramdam kapag nakilala mo ng personal ang taong nasa likod ng mga fragrances na matagal mo nang nakikita at na-appreciate. Napaka-warm at approachable niya. At para sa akin, isa iyon sa mga highlights ng buong event. Isa talaga iyon sa mga moments na masasabi kong, I'm so glad I decided to come. After ma-discover ang bagong fragrance, maamoy at ma-meet ang CEO at founder at makapagpa-picture sa kanya, nagkaroon din tayo ng pagkakataon na ma-explore ang iba pang perfumes ng My Geisha.